the ocean road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. Water in the back, water in the front. Everywhere I go, there's so much water. I'm gonna water till I can't no more.
What are you doing?
I'm watering the bed.
Well, you're not supposed to water in the middle of the day. It'll burn the plants.
No, well. Judah, you think what I'm thinking? Time for another video. Yeah! Roll the intro. What's going on, girls? This is Judah Blu. And Mac coming to you live from Kentucky. Today, we're going to be talking about watering your plants in the midday sun. So grab your gloves and let's roll!
Give me that God Almighty, that good old apple, that old school doctrine. Give me that truth for the body, ain't no...
Alright, folks, we caught Dad believing one of the oldest garden myths. A lot of people think watering them in the heat of the day will act as magnifying glasses. Those little tiny drops of water will like scorch them. A lot of people think in the heat of the sun will burn them off. But guess what? It ain't true. Nobody's found actual evidence that it scorches the leaves in the midday sun. University studies say it's just a myth. Water either rolls off or evaporates before it does any damage. Don't get me wrong, watering at the roots is still the best bet. But if the leaves get wet, it's not a big deal. Just to be sure, we had this whole experiment going on this whole time. We left a big old water droplet on this tomato leaf. And guess what? No burn, no scorch, no nothing. Myth officially busted!
All right. You got it.
Happens to the best of us, Dad. So stick with us and we'll have you gardening like a pro in no time. That's this video, folks. I hope you liked it. I hope you got something out of it. Remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell, and Guard Brothers out.